Connect negative of battery 1 to negative of battery 2. Connect the other negative from either batteries to all negative wires of the boat. Next, connect the positive of battery 1 to the input 1 on the back of the switch. Now, connect the positive of the second battery to the input 2 on the back of the switch. Next, connect the output of the switch to all positive cables of the boat. The switch can now be used to turn off all power to the boat. Switch to use either batteries or both.